Busy People, Doctors by Ando Twin. When people are sick or hurt, Dr. Miranda helps them feel better. She works in a doctor's office. "Good morning, doctor," says the receptionist. "You have a lot of people to see. It's going to be a busy day." Dr. Miranda's first patient has a swollen ankle. "Oh, dear, Olivia, may I take a look?" asks Dr. Miranda gently. She feels Olivia's leg and ankle, asking where it hurts most. Dr. Miranda thinks Olivia might need an x-ray. She tells Olivia's mommy to take her to the hospital. "Just to check that nothing is broken," says Dr. Miranda. Next, Miranda gives 2 twin babies their shots, examines a boy with chicken pox, checks a pregnant woman's blood pressure, and listens to a man's chest with her stethoscope. It's been a very busy morning already. Now Dr. Miranda has to call patients who are too sick to leave home. She asks them questions and decides how to help them. Dr. Miranda is about to eat lunch when the receptionist enters and says, "Can you see one more patient, doctor?" Jimmy has arrived at the doctor's office for an emergency appointment. His daddy explains that he has a cough and a high temperature. Dr. Miranda asks whether Jimmy has a rash or any other symptoms. "Nope, he's just been sleeping a lot today, haven't you, Jimmy?" his daddy asks. Dr. Miranda takes Jimmy's temperature with the thermometer. Then she looks in his ear with an otoscope. "Ah," she tells Jimmy. "Ah," says Jimmy, opening his mouth wide. Then she looks at the back of his throat using a special stick. Next, Dr. Miranda asks Jimmy to sit on the bed and take his sweater off. Dr. Miranda listens carefully to Jimmy's chest using a stethoscope. It feels cold and tickles. Dr. Miranda thinks Jimmy has a chest infection. She writes him a prescription for some medicine and asks him to come back in a few days if he's not feeling better. "You should feel well again soon," she tells him, waving goodbye. "Thank you, doctor," says Jimmy. Dr. Miranda checks her afternoon schedule with the receptionist. What a busy day it's been. Dr. Miranda has to make one more call before she can go out to lunch. What else does Dr. Miranda do? She makes house calls and sends people to the hospital if they need more care. She gives people shots to keep them from getting sick and gives them back their test results. And look at all of her equipment. She has a computer and a stethoscope to listen to hearts, a prescription pad to write out prescriptions, a telephone, a thermometer for taking temperatures, an otoscope for looking in your ears and your nose, and tongue depressors. Other busy people that doctors work with are receptionists. They make appointments, get test results back from the hospital, and look after patient records. Pharmacists are highly trained and they know all about medicine. They fill prescriptions and also give health advice. Nurses bandage scrapes and cuts and give health advice, take blood tests, and treat other non-serious ailments. Ambulance drivers take people who are very sick or injured to the hospital so they can see the doctor quickly. The end.